Okay, so how to get free Seploa ETH for testing smart contracts, and whenever you want to deploy contract to Ethereum Seploa ETH Ethereum scan, then you will have to use the MetaMask, right? External provider, and you will need to have the Seploa ETH in it. You can see 0.5 I have in it here, and I can deploy this to the Seploa ETH network using the Seploa test ETH that I have. So I'm gonna connect my wallet. I'm going to connect my wallet to this, and it says enter your wallet address. So if I click here I have Seploa ETH 0 amount. I'm going to copy my address and paste it here, and then click I'm not a robot again, and send me ETH. Okay, the transaction has been created for this, and now I can view the transaction. And once that is successful, it's gonna show this view, and I can view the transaction on Seploa ETH. So I can click here, and it's gonna open the Seploa Ethereum scan, and currently it's indexing, and in a moment we will see that it's successful. And now if we look at the profile, we should get the 0.5 Ethereum Seploa ETH. So refresh list, you can see we have 0.5 Seploa ETH test test Ethereum. So that's how you can get free Seploa ETH from the seploafaucet.com.